Hello friends, this is Nirdesh from NG Takeoffs. So today we are going to calculate the roof of pitched roof area in which we will calculate the roof tiles. The drawing has been provided by this M.A.D Engineers S.C. Thanks for the drawing. Okay. So now let's start how to measure the roof, especially the pitched roof like this. If somebody knows that you are from estimation, that you know how to measure this, but that's a time taking process. Little bit time. So let's start. First, we explore this model with some tent so that we can see clearly what's there in the roof. Now we will take each and every plate with the measurement. For measurement, like area of the same thing, like this one. This is 11.499. 11.499. Let's start from one plate. This is also 11.499. This one is 12.527. Five, seven. Now, as we cover this, and this, now we will finish this whole area. The cap 7, the cover, what, cover, what, 12, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 1. Five, 6, 5, start from this place. We will mark it for the future. Let me don't do anything. We have already let's start. So here is our quantity, the whole is the exact quantity without waste. That is 258.529 here. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, kindly share, subscribe my channel. If you like my videos, kindly buy me a coffee. Thank you. Thanks a lot.